Hi, my name is Mackenzie Lacombe, and I'm here to show you Get Hooked, which is an app I created to help people learn how to crochet. When I first started, I got very discouraged because it was hard to find good resources to help guide me. So, I decided to create an app to help people just like me learn how to crochet. So, whether you're a beginner who's never picked up a crochet hook or an experienced crocheter who just wants to learn some new stitches, this is the app for you. So let's first take a look at the code. I created my app using Code.org's App Lab and JavaScript. So now that we know how the app is created, let's take a look at the app. This is the welcome screen, which will be the first page that users see when they open the app. But before we can start using it, we have to know how. So if we refer to the help screen, we can learn what each icon does. For example, how the house will bring you to the home screen, or how the yarn will bring you to the crochet tools. Now let's go home. So with this knowledge, we can use our profile. We can add a picture and even a username. This will also be where you can find your liked projects as well as your tools that you've added to your wish list. So let's go back. Now we can check out some tools. We have 3 different examples here, but let's check out crochet hooks. Once I arrive here, I can choose which kind of crochet hook I'd like to learn about. So today let's learn about aluminum hooks. Here we'll learn about pros and cons of using aluminum hooks and when's the best time to use them. Now from here we can either go back and choose to learn about a different tool, or we can go home. So now that we know how to use the tools and when, let's look at some design ideas. For example, blankets, animals, or appliques. I personally like making animals with crochet, so let's check out that category. Once you've chosen a category, a bunch of different pattern ideas will pop up. Of course here they're all animals because we chose the animal category, but other categories will have their fitting projects. So then you just choose a project that you'd like to work on. For example, this little bee. So there will first be a little image that will give an example of what it should look like in the end, and then this is where you can like this project to keep it in your profile. Then here we have some general information such as the difficulty and tools needed. And we also have the pattern, which is also known as the instructions in crochet. But you might be asking, what if I don't know how to do one of these steps? Well, I have the answer for you. If we go home and we go to this big book, you can find a bunch of how-to lessons, ranging from beginner to experience, with lessons such as how to hold a crochet hook, going all the way to a trinity stitch or a more complicated technique. Again, this is a great place to refer to if you're not sure how to do a step. If we go home and go to our final page, it's the feedback page, where users can give general feedback on the app and also request new patterns and features. Again, my name is Mackenzie Lacombe, and I hope to see you get hooked.